Do you want to know if a few urban bikes are great for traversing urban streets that are narrow and busy? Well, in this video, we list the 10 best motorcycles ideal for zipping in and out of city traffic, only on our channel, Bikers Express. Starting off the list without any further ado, on number 10, we have the Kawasaki Z400. It's a stripped-down version of the Team Green's full-fared Ninja 400 Super Sport. The bike has an unmistakable Street Fighter style, a low seat height, and an upright riding position. The Kawasaki Z400 is a fiercely authentic naked sports bike that oozes fresh street air and is instantly recognizable in a crowd thanks to its small chassis but aggressive appearance. The Z400, which is comfortable, balanced, and capable, provides a visceral riding experience that is sure to turn heads. The Z400 ABS motorbike was designed to provide a comfortable ride with light, predictable, and natural handling. Wasn't that a fantastic choice? Well, let's move on to the next bike. The bike at number 9 on our list is the Honda Grom. The Grom is a springy, zippy moped motorcycle that is only 125cc and capable of pushing about 9 to 10 horsepower. It's compact from front to tail and bottom to top. Also, at 227 pounds, the Honda Grom is one of the lightest bikes available, and it also becomes one of the world's most famous motorcycles. One ride will show you why. Even if you're not riding one, a Grom is a lot of joy. What never changes is the dependability and quality you can expect from every Honda and every Grom. The 124cc electric start engine is the first step. Fuel injection and a 10:1 compression ratio help to contribute to the incredible fuel efficiency, a whopping 166 miles per gallon. Everyone has somewhere to go, so why not have fun whilst doing it? Own a Grom. The 8th motorcycle on our list is the Suzuki Van 200. First developed in the 1970s, rebuilt and marketed elsewhere, the Van 200 has finally returned to the West. You'll only get 199cc's, but with a weight of more than just 282 pounds, that's sufficient for riding high and tight with a flat out all round. Surprisingly, Suzuki did not include an updated Van 200 since their 2021 catalogue. Yet, the 2019 model is still available and is one of the greatest small motorcycles for city riding. Besides being extremely light and elegant due to its air-cooled engine and abundance of clutter, which contributes to its featherweight 128 kilograms, the balloon tires have an unusual side effect for aiding balance. Do you want to try this motorcycle? Then go on and take a test drive. You'll love this one, but remember first to subscribe to Bikers Express. On number 7, we have the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. The Royal Enfield replaces a classic design with current sensibilities for performance, handling, and safety with the Interceptor 650, delivering a blast from the past. Whether strolling the boulevard, commuting on the highway, or zipping around local streets, the 648cc parallel twin engine with twin throttle bodies, Bosch fuel injection, and EMS tune can handle everything. With a ground clearance of under 7 inches, you can eat speed bumps and dunes for breakfast. At 445 pounds, it's not exactly light, but it comes with an added protection in the form of stainless steel engine guard. The new Interceptor 650 Twin reimagines the sun-drenched California beach lifestyle. We've seen some awesome bikes already, and we're not even halfway through, so stay tuned because it's only getting better. The 6th motorcycle is the Yamaha YZF R3, the lightweight. The Yamaha YZF R3 features supersport styling despite having a 300cc engine. As a result, Yamaha has found a way to avoid sacrificing design for urban comfort. This lightweight and nimble bike is surprisingly comfortable and well balanced as you lean into tight turns. Even tall riders will enjoy riding in this somewhat forward-leaning sport riding stance. Furthermore, the bike's soothing stability instills confidence when riding on poorly maintained urban streets. That Yamaha is great, isn't it? But the next one is our personal favorite. On number 5, we have the BMW R1250 RS. The GS gets all the attention, but unless you're traveling on gravel roads, the RS should be parked alongside the BMW Coupes and Teslas to project status. Narrower handlebars than the GS make it easier to squeeze in tight areas. The RS seat is lower, and the entire bike is lighter and more suited to high-speed roadwork. Its protruding cylinder heads do an excellent job of protecting your feet from stray autos. BMW provides a variety of complex luggage alternatives to transport your belongings, and the 4.8-gallon fuel tank is alright, given the mileage of 45 miles per gallon. We'll enter the top 3 very soon. Can you guess who's in there? Well, either way, first we have number 4, the Kawasaki Versys 650. The Versys is a cheerful, comfy little motorcycle that only wants to serve its owner. The Versys is a rugged commuter, super comfortable, sporty, and relatively lightweight at 454 pounds, with 5.5 gallons of petrol and yielding roughly 45 miles per gallon. Kawasaki wants $8,399 for a new one. Soon, any 2015 or newer will suffice. That was the year that we received essential enhancements, including a rubber engine mount system that elevated the medium versatile system to new heights. Now entering the top 3, sit tight. Number 3 is the Moto Guzzi V85 TT. The V85 TT is designed to be an adventure bike, but isn't getting to work an experience in and of itself. After all, it was the least adventurous ADV in the middleweight adventure motorcycle showdown, so it's genuinely great. The seat is low enough for anyone above 5'6", but the 6.7 inches of excellent suspension on both ends laughs at asphalt bumps. She is comfortable and has cruise control and a windscreen. The weight of 540 pounds is pretty decent, a 5.5-gallon fuel capacity is enough, and 39 miles per gallon could be improved, but she's just so pretty, right? On number 2, we have Triumph Street Twin. The first of the Street Twins, released in 2016, featured a 270 crank 900cc parallel twin modified for torque, which was extremely good and got 60 miles per gallon. Triumph returned the engine in 2019 to produce more horsepower, 65 horsepower instead of 54 at the same 5,900 RPM. Yet the 59 pound-foot of torque remained, albeit a little higher up than the RPM range, but the fuel economy dropped to around 50 miles per gallon. The updated bike received a new cartridge type 41mm fork and minor changes. In the year 2019, it had an improved performance for sporty riding. Either variant is adequate for commuting, and lastly but not the least, motorcycle number 1 is the Harley-Davidson Street 750. Harleys have a reputation for being enormous and hefty, although this isn't true for all Harley motorcycles. The Harley-Davidson Street 750 is a fun and sporty bike that doesn't feel heavy. Relax in your seat and notice how your body settles into the comfort and natural position. When you twist the throttle, the bike roars to life with a throaty and appealing sound. While you won't be able to fit into the smallest of spaces, the Street 750 is ideal for everyday use. Ride comfortably in the city or take it on an extended weekend adventure. Were you looking for a motorcycle for urban commuting? Well, then this video might have helped you. Remember to tell us your favorite one down in the comment section below, and thank you for tuning in to Bikers Express. Keep watching our high horsepower videos to stay updated about the biking world, and we'll see you on the road.